Hello, my name is Phil Viscoin, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today we're going to look at the Wedge Guard Wrist Release. So it's a very effective way to actually get free from somebody that grabs your wrist. So start in a parallel ready stance. Okay, so let's say somebody comes up and grabs my right arm. Okay, so what we're going to do is, like we do in a lot of these wrist grabs, you're going to step in nice and close. Okay, and then you're going to move your arm up, elbow up just like so, and shuffle step away. So, okay, so you really want to do a really quick motion when you do this. So I'm going to start parallel ready stance. Okay, my right wrist is grabbed. I'm going to step in, and I'm going to elbow up nice and hard, shuffle step away, and also say let go each time. So let me try this all together. Let go. Like so. Okay, let me demonstrate this from the side angle. So, stuff like this. Okay, my right wrist is grabbed. I'm going to step in nice and close. Wedge guard, shuffle step away. Just like that. Let me do that one more time. Okay, right wrist release. Right wrist grab. Step in. Wedge guard, shuffle step away. So, I'm going to have Miss Hill come in and help me demonstrate the wrist release. Okay, so she's going to be the one that's going to be doing the wedge guard wrist release. Okay, so I'm going to grab Miss Hill's right wrist. Okay, she's going to step forward. She's going to come real fast up with that elbow and move away, just like so. A little more closer. Okay, start off with just doing a light grip. So.
Okay.
Okay. Again.
Let go.
Okay, now I'm going to hold on a little bit tighter. See if she still can get free.
Let go.
Very difficult to hold on to.
Let go.
Let's try it from the other side. I'm going to grab her left wrist and see how she does that.
Let go.
Okay, we'll do one more time.
Let go.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So, should that. The important thing is stepping in is very important. Okay, it's like we do a lot of these wrist releases, and sometimes you really want to get really close. Okay, because you got more leverage when you step in nice and close. And then, of course, always shuffle step away and say let go really loud so you can let other people around you know that you're in trouble. And that's the wedge guard wrist release.